Let's start. Sit cross-legged with a tall spine. Rest your hands on your knees. Your body should look calm, steady, and ready to focus. Sit tall and hold one hand in front of the mouth like a tiny candle. Breathe in slowly and breathe out gently, as if not to blow it out. Your face and shoulders should look soft and relaxed. Go on hands and knees and round your back up high. Let your head drop gently. Your back should look like a stretching cat. Lift your head and chest while dropping your belly. Keep arms straight and steady. Your spine should look long and open. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. Let your forehead rest on the mat. Your whole body should look soft and peaceful. Stand tall with feet together and arms relaxed. Lift your chest and keep your gaze forward. Your body should look strong, centered, and focused. Lift both arms up and lean to one side. Keep your body long from fingertips to feet. You should look like a gentle, curved moon. Bend forward from the hips and let your hands reach toward the floor. Relax your head completely. Your upper body should hang loose like a waterfall. Bend your knees like sitting in a chair. Lift your arms forward or upward. Your body should look strong, balanced, and steady. Step one foot back and bend the front knee. Reach both arms up high. Your body should look brave, tall, and powerful. Open your arms wide and face the side. Keep your front knee bent and back leg straight. Your body should look focused, open, and grounded. Reach one arm forward and pull the other arm back like a bow. Keep your legs strong and steady. Your body should look determined, like an archer aiming. Straighten both legs and reach one hand down to the shin. Lift the other arm to the sky. Your body should form a long, open triangle. Spread legs wide and stretch your arms out. Open your chest and keep your gaze forward. You should look bright and confident like a star. Stand on one leg and place the other foot on the calf or thigh. Bring hands to heart or lift them up. Your body should look tall, balanced, and calm like a tree. Wrap one arm under the other and lift the elbows. Keep your back straight. Your upper body should look steady, lifted, and focused. Sit with legs straight and reach toward your feet. Keep your back long as you fold. Your body should look calm and stretched. Sit with the soles of the feet together and knees open. Hold your feet softly. Your body should look relaxed and open like butterfly wings. Lie on your back and drop your knees to one side. Open your arms wide. Your body should look soft and gently twisted. Lie flat on your back with arms and legs open. Close your eyes and breathe slowly. Your whole body should look peaceful and still.